Hi everyone, hope you all are absolutely fine. Well, first of all, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed this channel till now, make sure to subscribe. This channel will be very helpful for you. Also, make sure to join us at our Telegram channel. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. Well, all the best guys for your Infosys exam. I'm sure that you are going to do your best in tomorrow exam. So all the best from my side. So as you all know that because of your support, our channel Study with Soumya has collaborated with Geeks for Geeks. So if you are interested in any of the courses of Geeks for Geeks to boost up your placement preparation, as you know that Geeks for Geeks is a very famous platform and has multiple courses for the placement preparation. You can choose any of the courses along with the 10% discount. Yes, you heard it right. So use the coupon code Study with Soumya. All the letters should be in capital and get the 10% off on the courses. Happy learning guys. Well, in this video we are going to talk about the last minute tips for Infosys exam. First and the most important tip for the exam is that don't prepare anything new now, because this is the end time. So I'm not expecting, and also it is not expected from any of you that you are trying to learn something new, trying to learn any new concept, right? This is not going to be helpful for you. In the last minute, if you want to revise something, so you can revise the formulas for mathematics or some vocab and all, you can do this sort of revision. Although I would suggest just take a sleep, right? आराम से chill करना है, and you don't have to take any further tension, and everything will be sorted out tomorrow itself. The paper will be easy itself. If you will do the proper analysis, what I have done is I have done the proper analysis. From this, I will come to know that the paper will be easy only. The thing is that you should be clear with your concepts. So if your concepts are clear, whether it's about pseudo codes, whether it's about aptitude, logical, puzzle based question, so if you're clear about the conceptual things, you will be easily able to clear the task and you will be shortlisted for the next opportunity, for the next round, that is interview round itself, right? First of all, let's come to the aptitude part. So the most important tip that I would like to give on the aptitude part is that, see, you clearly know that which particular topics you have prepared and which you haven't prepared. So if you are coming across any of the questions from the topic which you haven't prepared, don't even waste a single minute for that particular question, right? Because in the competitive exam, each minute of yours matter. So if you haven't read the topic, how you'll be able to solve the question? And you know that there is no negative marking, so just randomly mark any answer. Don't leave blank even. I would suggest don't leave blank even, because maybe your luck works here, maybe the question, maybe the option that you are marking, that will be the right one, right? So mark randomly anything and move ahead, right? Even for the question that you, from the topic, the question that you are coming across, you have read about this, but it is taking so much time, and after even investing 3 to 4 minutes you are not able to solve, then also don't waste your time. Just randomly choose any answer, randomly choose any option and move ahead. See, time matters very much. Along with the answers, along with the accuracy, you have to maintain the time as well. Time is very, very important, especially when it comes to aptitude. Many of the students are not able to complete the paper, or like some questions are left because of the time. So make a note of that part. Also, many of you are doubt whether pen and paper is allowed or not. So let me tell you, here in the paper itself there will be many questions for which you cannot do the calculation in mind, and if you will try to do, obviously you will mess up the things. So obviously you can use the pen and paper, there is no restriction about that part. You can use the pen and paper, but yes, calculator is not allowed. And just believe me, there will be no such question for which you need calculator. The questions will be easy only, just basic calculation will be there which you can do by yourself. So there is no need of calculator, and also calculator is not even allowed, right? So that was about aptitude. Verbal will be easy only if you have covered all the concepts. We have some videos as well, and you will find many of the videos on the YouTube itself for these topics. So if you have watched them, obviously you will be able to solve. The paper is not going to be that difficult. For pseudocode, just few important topics if you are clear about pseudocode. This is not something different. It's like output based questions which you must have attended in other exams as well. Just here they are not using any specific language like a C++, Java or any other language. They are writing everything in the English form. So generally what I've observed, they ask the question from bitwise operators, right? That is bitwise and XOR or these sort of questions they do ask. Then logical operators sometimes can be used, looping part is used, right? So generally the questions will be surrounded by these topics only. So if your concepts about these topics are clear, you will be able to solve the question is not going to be that difficult. Questions will be easy only, right? So it's just all about the concept itself. Just the basic concept should be clear, rest the paper will be easy only. So don't take any further tension, everything will be sorted out tomorrow itself. Just be relaxed today. आज तो सिर्फ you have to do आराम. So आराम करना है and whatever you have learned in these days, अभी तक जो भी आपने प्रिपरेशन करा हुआ है, whatever preparation you have done, this will be helpful tomorrow, राइट? सो अभी कुछ नया ट्राई मत करना, कुछ नया पढ़ना मत. इफ़ अगर कुछ रिवाइज करना चाहते हो, इफ़ यू वांट टू रिवाइज समथिंग, सो जस्ट कुछ फॉर्मूले यू कैन डू रिवाइज फ्रॉम द मैथमेटिक्स पार्ट, फ्रॉम सूडो कोड्स. इफ यू वांट टू डू सो, you can just go through the operators which I just mentioned, right? But don't learn anything new. Otherwise I would suggest this, just take a rest today, and so that you can feel relaxed, you can feel calm, you can feel patient tomorrow, right? Because अब आ गया है एंड टाइम, तो आप कुछ नया प्रिपरेशन नहीं कर सकते. सो कुछ नया ट्राई मत करना और आज फुल रेस्ट लेना, फुल आराम करना. सो ऑल द बेस्ट फ्रॉम माई साइड. होप यू विल डू बेस्ट टुमारो इन द एग्जाम एंड लेट मी नो हाउ वॉज योर पेपर, how was the questions, how many you were able to attend. Let me know about all this. Make sure to comment about your experience about tomorrow's exam in this video itself. So thank you for watching this video. Keep learning guys, keep preparing. Bye bye.